In this video, I am showing you how to build a complete and effective acne skincare routine to treat mild to moderate acne without a prescription, and this will not break the bank. Thank you to the Inky List for restocking some of my acne favorites and sponsoring this video. Now, everything I mentioned in this video will be linked in the description below. And make sure you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel for more skincare education and product reviews, and come say hi on Instagram at The Budget Dermatologist. So here is your easy to follow acne skincare routine, starting with step 1. Grab your acne fighting cleanser. So the Inky List actually has 2 options that are both medicated with a high-powered ingredient to help unclog your pores and reduce inflammation. So let's start with this one. It is the salicylic acid cleanser. It has 2% salicylic acid in it, which is the highest strength you can get over the counter. So this is a strong acne cleanser. And the second one they have is this one. It is the 5% benzoyl peroxide cleanser. It has 5% benzoyl peroxide in it, which is a great starting point and a very high strength ingredient. Benzoyl peroxide is available up to 10% over the counter, but starting with 5% for your face is actually a really good idea. And you can always save the 10% strength for chest and back acne. Okay, so how are you going to choose between these two? Here's my suggestion. If you have mainly whiteheads and blackheads, I will typically start with an SA or salicylic acid cleanser because salicylic acid is oil soluble. It really is going to get down into the depth of your pores and break up the debris there and unclog the pore and smooth away the dead skin cells. And then benzoyl peroxide, on the other hand, it's anti-inflammatory. It helps kill the acne causing bacteria on your skin without causing resistance like antibiotics can. So I really love benzoyl peroxide for more inflamed pimples and those pus bumps of acne. So step 1, choose one of these cleansers to treat your acne based on your preference. Step 2, choose your leave-on treatment product. This is going to contain an active ingredient in it that is specifically targeting acne. There are 3 options here for leave-on products from the Inky List that I love. So my top choice here of those 3 is the beta hydroxy acid serum. This contains 2% salicylic acid. Now you can use this in the morning, you can use it at night, you can even use it twice a day. This one is very lightweight. It is a serum, comes out just like that. I love actually that the serum is in a bottle like this rather than the dropper top, which is so much less user-friendly. So this one is really great. Look, serum rubs in almost instantly and is very lightweight. You can wear makeup or other skincare products right over it without any pilling or clumping up on the skin. So that is this one, the BHA serum. And remember, this one is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. It's gonna help unclog your pores. Now, another Inky List product that is highly recommended by me is the succinic acid treatment. I actually love this as a spot treatment, and it's a very unique product because it pairs some lesser known ingredients in it. It has 2% sulfur in it. If you follow me and you watch any of my other videos here, you know about sulfur. It is one of my top 4 over-the-counter ingredients to treat acne. And it's actually hard to find really quality products with this ingredient in it. So this one, the succinic acid acne treatment, is very unique. So you can see it here, it's a green tint, which helps cover the redness of inflamed pimples. Sulfur works to clear acne by drying up the blemish, okay? That is why this is ideal for a spot treatment. And sulfur can actually also reduce the oil on your skin. So if you're oily skin, this works great. It can unclog your pores. It kills the acne bacteria on your face and it reduces inflammation. Like I said, it's a little green tint, which is going to help hide that redness as well. So this is really a powerhouse ingredient. And also in this product is 2% succinic acid, which decreases the oil on the skin. It has 1% salicylic acid to help unclog the pores. It contains 0.4% hyaluronic acid to fight against over drying of the skin. So this is really an amazing product. You can use this as a spot treatment on singular acne bumps up to 3 times a day. And the third leave-on treatment product that you could use in step 2 of your acne skincare routine is niacinamide serum. So this is what I recommend if you have very oily skin. This product is 10%. The Inky List also makes a 20% niacinamide serum, but this is the one I use. It's well loved. So this can actually reduce the amount of oil on your skin. And it's really one of those skincare ingredients that can do so many things. It can calm down acne, brighten the skin, fade dark marks, and really just help fight signs of aging. So if you have acne prone skin, if you have active acne or oily skin, if you have acne scars or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, other signs of aging, honestly, a niacinamide serum can be a very nice addition to your routine. And you don't even have to use this every day to get those benefits. You can actually just rotate it in and out of your routine. You can use it at night. You can use it on nights that you take a break from your retinoid product if you have one of those in your routine. There really are so many ways to incorporate a niacinamide serum into your routine, and this one is very affordable. Okay, so that is your step 2 of your routine. Apply a leave-on treatment product, so either your BHA serum, your niacinamide serum, or even a spot treatment if you have those certain single blemishes. Now, quick disclaimer, I do not personally recommend layering all of these together at one time. If you want to try more than one of these leave-on products, do them on alternating days, don't layer them. Now, step 3, apply a moisturizer. So even acne prone skin can benefit from a moisturizer to protect the skin barrier so it can stand up to all of these active ingredients that I'm showing you, which can actually dry out the skin. So do not skip this step 3. I like lightweight moisturizers for active acne breakouts, especially if you have oily skin type. So there are 2 favorites that I have from the Inky List for this type of routine. The first one is their Bakuchiol moisturizer. Now there might be almost none of this left because I love this for actually anti-aging, but it works well for your acne skincare routine. Bakuchiol is a retinoid alternative. It has many benefits like retinoids, but with way less side effects. And I like this specific one from the Inky List, obviously, because it's really lightweight. So it works well in the morning time for my morning skincare routine, but it works great for acne skincare routines as well. The other one I love is the Omega Water Cream. So this is so lightweight, comes out looking like a moisturizer. Here, I'll do it on this hand. But you can see, I'll show you, as soon as I rub it in, it immediately turns transparent. So very much like a gel serum-like consistency. And it's just so lightweight. So it is amazing to use in the morning time. So that's your step 3, pick your favorite moisturizer. And your last step, step number 4, I bet you guys can guess what it is. It's a sunscreen. So this is always important in any routine, obviously, but it's especially important in acne routines, which incorporate topical acids like the salicylic acid that I showed you, because that can make you more prone to sunburn. So do not forget this step. Now, the Inky List has this new sunscreen called the polyglutamic acid dewy sunscreen. It's SPF 30. It is super lightweight. I actually used this last week at Disney. I did not get a sunburn, and that's about as hot and non-shady of a place as there is. So I highly approve of this one. It is a chemical-based sunscreen, so it rubs in with no white cast. Very nice. And it does not feel heavy on the skin. When I was outside sweating it up, I loved this one and how it felt. Now, they also have an SPF 30 mineral one that has a slight tint to it. You know, I love my tinted mineral sunscreens to use when I don't want to put on makeup and just kind of take the place of that. So check this out, tinted mineral. And this rubs in, I really like this for acne routines because it actually rubs in pretty matte, but it's not drying to the skin. So you can see here, literally no white cast at all. That matches beautifully. And I think that you could probably get this to match a wide variety of skin tones. Kind of warms up once you put it on the skin. So beautiful. Step 4, don't forget your sunscreen. So this routine, minus the sunscreen, can be used at night too. So you can use these treatment products twice a day if your skin tolerates it. Remember, I recommend starting with once a day, then going to twice a day gradually as your skin adjusts. Now, if you want to incorporate several of these treatment serums that I showed you, I recommend alternating them rather than layering them. I know I already said that, but I don't want you to miss that point because that is going to cut down on your risk of side effects. And if you have a retinoid in your routine, like adapalene or retinaldehyde or tretinoin or a prescription, you will use that one at night. And then on nights that you take a break from that retinoid, then you can rotate in some of your other treatment serums or salicylic acid products rather than pairing them at the same time with your retinoid. So separate them, do not layer them, and you can use those products in the morning and retinoids at night, again, if that is in your routine. So there you go, an entire acne fighting skincare routine with affordable products. Remember, you do not have to break the bank to get results for your skin. I see this all the time in my private practice clinic. You don't have to overspend, trust me. And now, even though all of these Inky List products are baseline, very affordable in the skincare realm of products, you can actually find Inky List on sale quite a bit throughout the year. Sometimes you can get these 20% off, and that helps you save even more money. So don't miss those. I am linking everything I mentioned below in the description of this video, so you can check them out if you're interested. Make sure you guys are subscribed, turn on the notifications so you don't miss more videos dropping soon. See you guys later.